You said, guess you're on your own. As you pass me that old excuse again, I let it crash in my living room. Like a friend I should've never let in. We did this over and over, like we liked the taste of regret. You run over my better judgment. I forget. But you don't live here rent-free anymore. Box you up, left your key at the door. If it's me or you, I choose my heart. Rule out the ghost that tears me apart. You don't live here rent-free anymore. You call when the night gets long, say you miss who I used to be. But I won't keep a busted promise on a pedestal, polishing the grief. We did this over and over, every answer felt the same. You run over all my boundaries till I only had your name. But you don't live here rent-free anymore. Boxed you up, left your key at the door. If it's me or you, I choose my heart. Rule out the ghost that tears me apart. You don't live here rent-free anymore. I walk past the place we met, keep going, don't turn my head, oh no. Every step says on your own, and for once that feels like home. 'Cause you don't live here rent-free anymore. I scrubbed your voice from the walls and the floor. If it's me or you, I choose my heart. Rule out the ghost that tears me apart.